Hi, family. Thank you, guys. This is Grandma Adam's Kitchen. And you know how we do it here. We share good food recipes. And today is not going to be any different. The only thing different right now, we are stepping into Asian food. Something different from, local African food. And also that you can enjoy with your friends and family. So today we're gonna be going to make Singapore noodles. Singapore noodles is quite something. It's really delicious. It's something simple to make with simple ingredients that you can get in your kitchen. So the main ingredients that I'm gonna be using today are rice noodles. You can get this anywhere in the market, maybe the farmers market, the Asian market. You can look for rice noodles. That is the main ingredient. For our veggies today, I have the green pepper, the yellow pepper, the red bell pepper, and I have the chopped green onions. That is also going to be used. And for my choice of protein today, I'm using the turkey sausage. You can use any kind of sausage you want. I just prefer the turkey one. Turkey sausage, you want to take just a little bit of that. And I'm using the breast chicken already been cut. You can use the Thai chicken. You can use any kind of chicken you want, but I'm just using the breast chicken. And also I'm using the prawns or the large size shrimps as you may want. So okay, those are the things we're going to be using. Those are the major ingredients that we are using today. All right. Don't you like what you see? You can switch this up. You can add anything you want to it. Just make it your own. Cooking is an art, right? So just do it the way that your family will like it. So to begin, you want to put the rice noodles in a bowl and add hot water to it. Leave it to soak for about 3 minutes and then we will be back. So our rice noodles is ready. We're ready to prepare our chicken. I already have it in a bigger bowl because I need to mix it up and marinate for some time. I have here a mix of because I want it to be a little spicy. Trust me, I like to have some spiciness in my food. So I have some cayenne pepper and I mix it up with this cilantro, lime. It has other spice in it. So you can use any kind of spices you have at home. Your known Maggi, a little bit, your chicken spice, a little bit of that. So my hands are clean. I already washed it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just mix it up. I'm gonna leave it for about 3 minutes to marinate, and then I'll be back. We have the shrimp already washed and cleaned. So I'm gonna be using the same spice I use. So that also is ready. So next we want to add our sauce, sesame oil, and I'm using soy sauce. Soy sauce is salty, so you want to be careful with soy sauce. You can add more later if you need more, but I'm just gonna keep it like that. And I'm using the oyster sauce also, a little bit of that. It's a little thick. You can just add a little bit of that to it. It's a oyster sauce, just a little bit. And you can have your curry powder, just a little bit of that as well. And if you have extra virgin oil, because just a little of that will be fine. And all you need to do is to mix this up and then mix it up thoroughly. Okay. Mix it together thoroughly. All of these are from my son's. He likes to cook. My son loves to cook, so he has all these soy sauce, sesame, or he has all of that. Maybe one of these days We can ask my son to cook for us. He loves to cook. And that's what I learned from my grandmother. Well, you can't live with my grandmother and you don't know how to cook. We do a lot in African to prepare our female children on, house chores, cooking, cleaning, and then we leave the meals. We leave them out of it. All right, so let's start cooking. The pot is already heated up, so I'm gonna be adding some. If you have butter, you can start with butter at this point. I'm just trying to reduce the the cholesterol, so I'm gonna be using my extra virgin oil and a little bit of that into the pan. I want to add a little bit of some onions to it. I'm gonna leave it on the stove for some minutes. And you keep turning around until the chicken is cooked, well cooked, and with that color that you want. Alright guys, I'm back. I have to switch off the pot. So now I think it's good enough. I don't want it to be overcooked. That's why you use chicken breast because it's easier. So yeah, I'm gonna take it out now. And it tastes really good. I tasted it. It's not too salt, it's not salty, it's just good. Okay, so we'll take this out. Okay, so we put that aside. Now we want to add the shrimps to the oil. Okay, see, it's ready now. This is the golden brown color you want to achieve with the shrimps. So I'm going to take it out. I'm not going to change the pot. I'm just going to add the cut sausage to it. So I'm just going to run through this a little bit. And then this is all of these are optional. You can do this Singapore noodles with just with just chicken. You can do it with beef. You can do it with just shrimp. Okay, this is just to give it some richness, but they are not like mandatory. You can switch it up for those of us. I know some people don't eat sausages. I am not a fan of sausage as well, but I do look out for the turkey or the chicken. I'm not a pork one or the minced of pork. So I look out for this one and I use a little bit of it. Once in a while, you want to spoil yourself a little bit, but you just need to be mindful. One of the things I've learned is not the food really, it's the portion and the frequency you eat them. The portion, you have to have portion control. Okay, so we are back now. I have the bigger pot because I'm gonna be needing a bigger pot. So I have some oil already added. The olive oil is there. So I'm gonna be adding some onions to it. So I'm adding some onions. We're still gonna be using more onions later. So do this one. Okay, so the onions is turning brown. So now I'm gonna add some garlic to it. And you can add garlic, you can add ginger if you want. And because I am an African woman, I will have to add my pepper. I know it's Indian food, Chinese food, whatever you call it, or Thailand food. But I like to add some pepper, so I have already had some atarodo, which is a Scotch bonnet. I have some of that in here because I like to have pepper in my food. So you might want to, this is just two medium size that I'm adding to it. So you have some kick. We like our food with some kick in it. Okay, so that is already there. Okay, now we want to allow it to cook because the spicy, you don't want it to come out raw. You want to fry the pepper for a few more, like 1 or 2 minutes, especially the hot ones. You don't want to eat raw pepper. So I'll be right back. Right, guys, welcome back. I think the pepper is good now, so I'm gonna go with my peppers. First go in is the yellow pepper, then I have the green ones coming up. So goes again is the red one. Because you don't want it to be soggy, you want to do this on a very high heat. So now I'm gonna be going with the slotty that we made. Remember that. So you want to pour it down now and mix it thoroughly. Mix it thoroughly. Allow it to. You're on a high heat, so you're moving it around to get everything mixed up together. I think this is the texture you want to see. You don't want it to be too soft, and you don't want it to be tasteless as well. So you go ahead and add in all your fried proteins. I'm going to pour everything in at this point. Beef, your shrimps, those will go in, and you're going to go ahead and mix thoroughly. And then we're gonna come back. Okay, welcome back. See, I have gone ahead and added the rice noodles. So you're gonna have to mix it thoroughly. Now we have almost ready. So we're gonna go ahead and add our spring onions now. Add our spring onions to it, and then the scrambled egg. It's already been, the eggs have been scrambled. Just a little bit of that. Yeah, and we're done. We're just gonna go ahead and give it. I'm going to put in more heat, just a little bit. So what we do now is go ahead and mix it up again, and then you can taste it for salt. But right now, I'm just gonna go ahead and mix more. Just mix up, make sure that everything is properly mixed, and then we're ready. Okay, I'll be right back with the final output. All right, guys, so this is the final output. Doesn't this just look good? This is really beautiful. Let us know if you're going to try this. Subscribe, like, give comment. Thank you.